A sudden disruption in the Arctic polar vortex is set to send Europe into an unexpected chill in the coming weeks, with temperatures likely plunging below the usual spring averages. Scientists are closely monitoring this rare event, which is a direct result of a sudden stratospheric warming event that took place on March 9th. This phenomenon caused a dramatic shift in the polar vortex, reversing its typical wind patterns and sending frigid Arctic air southward toward Europe. Normally, the Arctic vortex spins in a west-to-east direction, trapping cold air around the North Pole. But due to a massive warming of the stratosphere, the vortex has been displaced and its wind direction has flipped to east to west. This disruption, which is unusual for this time of year, could lead to prolonged cold spells for northern Europe and parts of the United States, as the vortex's core settles above northern Europe. The effects of this atmospheric change are expected to be felt in the coming weeks, with colder than average conditions forecasted. The cause of the disruption can be traced back to planetary-scale Rossby waves, giant atmospheric ripples that pushed warm air up into the stratosphere. This warming event has had a profound impact on the vortex, preventing it from returning to its usual position over the pole. Unlike previous years where the vortex managed to recover, this year's collapse is likely permanent, making it one of the earliest final warmings on record. As a result, the usual coupling between the stratosphere and the troposphere, where atmospheric changes at high altitudes influence surface weather, is driving cold Arctic air into Europe. The shift in weather patterns is expected to bring below-average temperatures to northern Europe, Asia, and parts of the eastern United States. This unexpected cold snap is set to reshape the early spring forecast, leaving many wondering how long the Arctic chill will linger across the continent.